get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a wig from VANLOVHAIR. This is everything that they sent over in the packaging. They sent over like a makeup case, some lashes, some wig caps, and an elastic band. This is the wig that we're trying on today. This is a skunk strip wig, so it means that it has like just a strip of color. So I'm showing you guys the construction of the wig. It has an adjustable elastic band. This kind of has clips, which I really like. A lot of them don't have clips, and I like that you can just clip it to adjust to the size you want. And then it has 2 clips on the side and a clip in the back as well. I'm just trying on the wig. As you can see, you can do a middle part, a side part, and then you just have like a little peekaboo as far as the color goes. Right now I'm just prepping the wig to be put on. I'm using like a light hairspray so that all of the hair can go to the back, and then I'm going to use my hot comb to make sure that everything is sticking and going straight to the back, because whenever I cut it, I don't want to have any of the flyaways or hair in the way. Now I'm going to tint my lace. I'm using the Even lace tinting spray, and then I'm also using my foundation color so I can get the perfect shade. And then I'm going to cut off the lace in a zigzag motion. I'm cutting really close to the hairline. And then now I'm going to try it back on. I'm just putting it on with the elastic band. And I put the elastic band like on the second clip, and then that was the perfect hold. So if you don't like it too tight, you can do the first clip, and then if you want it even tighter, you can do the third clip. This is what the wig looks like straight on. The hairline is pre-plucked. I did go in and pluck a little bit more, and then I did bleach the knots a little bit before I put the hair on. And I am gonna wear this wig glueless. I didn't put any glue on it or anything like that. Whenever I did the elastic band, it was tight enough, so that wasn't even necessary. Of course, you can, use some spray to make sure that it's even more secure, but since I was just doing the middle part, I didn't think to add any glue. It was just not necessary. So you can even wear this as a glueless wig if you like. So now I'm just using my hot comb on my middle part. I added a little bit of wax, and then I'm just doing the middle part so it can be nice and flat in the front. I like the middle part because you can see the skunk strip on both sides. I was thinking about doing a side part, but I think I like the middle part better. But of course you can do a side part, middle part, and then you'll still have that like peekaboo of the skunk strips. So this wig has a 13x4 lace closure. It's a red skunk strip by 1B, so the rest of the hair is 1B. But looking at it, it looks like jet black, which I like. So I don't know, but they say it's 1B, and then it's 26 inches and the density is 210. So right now I'm just flat ironing the hair all over. Since I'm wearing straight, I didn't really have to do much to it. As you can see, I just put it on, did a little bit of hot combing in the middle, and now I'm straightening it all over. Alright y'all, this is the completed look. I'm just giving you views so you can see how much body and movement the wig have. I love the contrast of the colors, like the color black and then the red, how it's just a peekaboo. So if you like playing with color, or if you're scared to play with color, this is a good wig to try out because it's not too much. It's just a little bit. It's just a little taste of color. So this wig is really long. It's 26 inches, and you guys will see when I step back, it goes like all the way down to my waist and like right above my butt. And now I'm just showing you guys what it looked like if you did a side part, how the color would sit. So yeah, that's basically it, y'all. This wig is really nice, has a lot of movement, it's nice and long, and it's really easy to apply. As you can see, I didn't really do much to it, so it's definitely beginner friendly. If you like this wig or any other wig from VANLOVHAIR, I will have their links and everything down in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Don't slip on a trip.